There's our brush pile with possibly a school on it. Guess we'll find out. They came right up for it. I can get my 0-degree mount in. I've realized the stock mount, well, I know it has like a little bit of offset with a transducer. Well, when you're fishing kind of deep, you see your lure at the top of the water column, and as it goes down, you lose it because it's at an angle. That's a catfish right there. It's gotta be. Look at these big old blobs. It's gotta be catfish. Okay, I'm on a lot of bait. Something just broke up the school. Here comes one. Yep. Got him. Did I lose him? No, I got him. Crankbait on live scope. What is that, a catfish, brother? You're joking me. What's a catfish doing up there? Stupid son of a gun. That's how I get rid of catfish. Well, catfish out here eating. Look at that slime, dude. Oh my God. Look at the slime on my line. That's insane. Catfish are disgusting. I mean, he reacted to that thing just like a bass. As soon as it hit the water, he was on it. Dude, this slime is still on my line. I got slime on my line. Slime on my line. Got a follower. I seen him hitting on top water here. Come on. Dude, he's just following it. Dude, they're following it hardcore. All right, back here in this grass flat. Oh my. Wow. I just lost a freaking giant on the glide. What? You're joking me. That was a good fish, dude. Oh, my line, my glide just broke off. Pretty sure it's like really shallow over here. I'm gonna try and get it. Keeping an eye on where it landed. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to see it. Well, no, it should float, no? Thank bejesus it floats. That thing is money. $40 frickin' lure. That's a cheap glide bait. Broke right at the frickin' knot. My line's all twisted up, that's why. Because when this thing flies through the frickin' air, okay, we found some fish. I just got about 6 follows there. I have no idea where any of those bass went that were following my glide. Beep, beep, beep. Guys, I can't find fish. I'm on an offshore hump now. Can't see nothing in the water. I don't know what all this, I don't know what's going on in the water right now. That's clear, that has a bunch of crap. Whatever it is, it's causing my glide bait to go deeper. My boat's broke down again. I don't know what's going on. This is crazy. Oh, I just got it out of the shop. Acting like it's low on, acts like the battery's low.
All right.
I hear
yeah,
you.
We're gonna start heading towards you.
All right, that works.
All right, man. We'll see you in a little bit.
All right, thanks. Bye.
Yep.
Yep. Had the boat in the shop for over a month for an entirely different issue, and now we're breaking down again. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. It's acting like I don't have any power. Of course, my jumper thing went bad because it got wet. And now I'm trying to figure out how to check my voltage on this graph. Yeah, I've got 10 volts. Maybe my battery's bad, or I don't know. It drops to 9. That's a dead battery. That's crazy. It's a brand new battery.
A few moments later.
So I broke down. I got towed back by the father-in-law and his buddy. We're in this cove. We got someone bringing us jumper cables. And I make a couple casts on the glide bait. And catch this big girl here. A little skinny, but a chunk nonetheless. I'm about to weigh her. Four-pounder. Go with 4, 3.8, 3.9. If she wasn't so skinny, would be way more. I wish I was recording, but she's a hog, dude. I bet this girl is at least 5 or 6 pounds in the winter. There she goes. No, this one's a little smaller. That's another 4-pounder. Hell yeah, I'm kind of glad I broke down. Huh? Yeah. Almost 4. So you missed it. I just caught 2 hogs off this point right here. Did you? Yeah. You get it on camera? Yeah, well, kind of. I got one on camera. Oh, I know. I appreciate it. Yeah. Hopefully just the jumper cables work. Yeah, he let me use his jump box, this guy right here.